Welcome to Classic Cars Cheap. Big engines, classic styling, and wild characters, all in one channel. Subscribe now and experience the real hot rod thrill. Number 1. 1932 Ford Coupe 5-window. Price, $38,500. Mileage, 25,000 miles. Location, Finburg, Maryland. A beautifully built 1932 Ford 5-window coupe that blends timeless hot rod style with modern comfort and drivability. Featuring a high-quality Downs fiberglass body with a clean 3-inch chop. The coupe has a sleek, aggressive profile while still maintaining classic proportions. Finished in a deep blue exterior with a refined gray interior, it presents exceptionally well for both cruising and car shows. Modern conveniences include power windows, a glide seat, and vintage air conditioning, making long drives comfortable in any weather. Paired with an automatic transmission and smooth gasoline power, the car is easy to drive and well-sorted. With 25,000 miles, 2 owners, a clean title, and no known issues, this paid-off 32 Ford represents an excellent opportunity to own a well-executed hot rod that delivers classic looks without sacrificing comfort or reliability. Number 2. 1933 Ford Roadster Factory 5/C3 Corvette chassis. Price, $26,000. Location, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. A sharp and well-built 1933 Ford Roadster Factory 5 kit car that blends classic hot rod style with proven Corvette performance. Built on a C3 Corvette chassis, this Roadster benefits from solid handling, strong braking, and a smooth ride, while keeping the timeless open-top look of a 33 Ford. The car is in like-new condition, reflecting careful ownership and quality assembly throughout. Designed to be driven and enjoyed. Number 3. 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline 2-door. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Location, Round Rock, Texas. A solid and honest 1950 Chevrolet Fleetline 2-door that's been enjoyed the way classics are meant to be driven. Finished in green with a blue interior. This Fleetline is currently a daily driver and is fully capable of hopping in and cruising anywhere with confidence. Equipped with a manual transmission, it delivers a true vintage driving experience while remaining reliable and easy to live with. The car carries a clean title, is fully paid off, and shows no significant damage or mechanical issues. This is a great opportunity for someone looking for an affordable, usable classic that doesn't need to sit in a garage. Just turn the key and enjoy the ride. Number 4. 1940 Ford Coupe. Price, $150,000. Location, Fuquay-Varina, North Carolina. This 1940 Ford Coupe is an exceptional, like-new classic hot rod, built with rare components and outstanding craftsmanship. Featuring an all-metal original Ford body, this car maintains its authentic 1940s character, while incorporating one of the most desirable Ford performance engines ever produced, an original 1967 427 FE big block. Vehicles equipped with genuine 427 FE engines are highly sought after, making this coupe an extremely rare offering in today's classic car market. Though specific build details aren't listed, the combination of the original steel body, iconic styling, and powerhouse FE motor suggests a top-tier restoration and performance-oriented build. The seller is open to all offers, providing an opportunity for serious buyers to negotiate on a truly special vehicle. Number 5. 1931 Ford model, a hot rod. Price, $22,500. Mileage, 500 miles. Location, Cisco, Texas. A beautifully built 1931 Ford model, a hot rod that blends classic early Ford style with legendary Hemi power. Sitting on a 1932 Ford frame, this Model A is powered by a 331 Chrysler Hemi paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 4.10 positive traction rear end, delivering strong, smooth performance with serious attitude. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, the car has a bold presence that turns heads wherever it goes. With only 500 miles since completion, it remains fresh, tight, and well-sorted. Number 6. 1932 Ford two-door sedan project. Price, $20,500. Location, Chester, Connecticut. This 1932 Ford two-door sedan project is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to build a classic hot rod with high-quality components and a strong foundation. The car sits on a TCI chassis, known for its superior engineering and drivability. Power comes from a small-block Chevy engine, paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, while the rear end features a Jaguar independent unit, offering improved ride quality. The body is rust-free, with paint completed 4 years ago, giving you a clean, solid exterior. Number 7. 1940 Ford Coupe. Price, $11,000 OBO. Location, New Bedford, Massachusetts. Up for sale is a 1940 Ford Coupe, featuring an all-steel, extremely solid body, a rare find in this condition. Powered by a Chevy 350 small block engine, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, and upgraded with a Mustang 2 front end for improved ride and handling. The car retains its original front seat and factory glass, adding authenticity and value. Hard to find a 40 Ford Coupe this solid at this price point. Motivated seller, open to negotiation. Number 8. 1931 Ford Model A Roadster body. This 1931 Ford Model A Roadster is offered as a body-only package, making an ideal starting point for a custom hot rod or street rod build. The body is fiberglass, finished in flat black, and described as being in very solid condition with steel reinforcement for added strength and rigidity. While the manufacturer is unknown, build quality appears strong. The doors open and close smoothly with no sagging, indicating proper alignment and good structural integrity. The hinge trunk functions correctly, adding convenience and usability for a future build. Included with the body is a hinge seat that folds forward, along with upholstery and carpeting in excellent condition, saving time and cost during interior setup. The windshield is also included, making this a more complete body package compared to many similar offerings. Overall, this is a clean and well-kept Model A Roadster body, well suited for builders looking to start a project without dealing with major body repairs or fitment issues. The body is located in Knox, Tennessee, USA, and is offered at $3,200. Number 9. 1940 Ford Convertible. This 1940 Ford Convertible is a well-restored and well-traveled classic, originally restored in the 1990s and kept in the same family ever since. Finished in a striking teal blue paint with bright chrome trim, this car presents as a high-quality driver that has also proven itself on the show circuit. Over the years, the car has won first place at multiple car shows and has been driven extensively across the country, traveling through Colorado, New Mexico, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Missouri, and more. It has even completed laps at Texas Motor Speedway, adding a unique and documented chapter to its history. Power comes from a twin-port fuel-injected engine, paired with an automatic transmission and power steering, making the car easy and enjoyable to drive for a wide range of enthusiasts. The interior features modern comfort upgrades while still maintaining a classic and period-correct appearance, striking a balance between vintage style and usability. Mechanical condition has been recently addressed. The car was inspected by a mechanic and received a fuel system service, along with a new battery and new spark plugs. The mufflers were replaced a couple of years ago, giving the car a proper and refined classic exhaust note. Overall, this 1940 Ford Convertible represents a turnkey classic with a strong family history, proven reliability, and both show and driving appeal. The car is located in Mesquite, Texas, just outside of Dallas, and is offered at $55,500. Number 10. 1932 Ford Roadster. This 1932 Ford Roadster is a clean, steel-bodied Brookville build presented as a strong driver that's fully ready for both cruising and car shows. It features an all-steel Brookville body, giving it the correct classic look and solid build quality that hot rod enthusiasts appreciate. The car has recently received a new interior along with a fresh brush-style paint job, giving it a clean and updated appearance while still maintaining traditional hot rod character. It sits on new wheels and tires, completing the stance and ensuring it's ready to hit the road immediately. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. This drivetrain is known for its reliability and simplicity, and it's described as running strong and dependable, making the car ideal for regular driving as well as weekend events. The trunk has also been fully finished, adding practicality and attention to detail, something often overlooked on roadster builds. Overall, this 1932 Ford Roadster presents as a turnkey hot rod, requiring no additional work before enjoyment. Located in Travis County, Texas, this Roadster is offered at $45,000 or best offer, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a classic steel-bodied hot rod that's ready for shows and open road cruising. Number 11. 1923 T-Bucket. This 1923 T-Bucket is a classic hot rod presented in very good condition and ready for immediate enjoyment. Built in traditional T-Bucket style, it delivers a raw and lightweight driving experience that hot rod fans look for. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, offering strong performance with straightforward and reliable operation. This setup makes the car easy to drive, while still delivering the aggressive character expected from a T-Bucket. Overall condition is described as very good, making this a solid option for cruising, weekend drives, and local car events. The car is being offered as a turnkey hot rod, with no need for additional mechanical work before use. The seller notes no trades, no joyrides, and is looking for serious inquiries only, emphasizing a straightforward sale. The vehicle is located in Muskogee County and is offered at $20,500 or best offer. For anyone looking to own a simple, powerful, and iconic T-Bucket hot rod, this example offers strong value and classic street rod appeal. Number 12. 1926 Ford Model T Coupe. This 1926 Ford Model T Coupe is a super clean, well-built street rod that blends early hot rod styling with serious big block power. Built to be driven and enjoyed, this Model T represents a strong combination of classic pre-war character and modern muscle performance. Under the hood sits a 460 cubic inch Ford big block engine, paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth yet powerful performance. The drivetrain is designed for street usability while offering the torque and acceleration expected from a big block setup. Power is sent to a Ford 9-inch rear end, providing proven strength and reliability for high horsepower applications. The car features a steel body finished in nice quality paint, giving it a clean and polished appearance while retaining its traditional hot rod presence. Suspension is equipped with coilover shocks, improving ride quality and handling while supporting the vehicle's performance-focused build. The overall stance and presentation reflect a thoughtfully assembled rod rather than a rushed project. This Model T is offered for sale at a price of $38,500, with the seller open to possible trades. However, motorcycles, boats, and all-out race cars are not being considered. Located in North Florida, United States, this vehicle is positioned as a strong driver-quality hot rod with big block power and classic appeal. With its combination of early Ford styling, 460 big block performance, and clean overall presentation, this 1926 Ford Model T Coupe is an excellent option for enthusiasts seeking a powerful, street-ready rod with timeless character and real road presence. Number 13. 1923 Model T Bucket. This 1923 Model T Bucket is a clean, well-sorted example of a classic T-Bucket hot rod built for easy driving and reliable street performance. With a lightweight design and timeless hot rod styling, this car delivers strong presence while remaining simple, usable, and fun to drive. The vehicle shows less than 6,000 total miles, with approximately 125 miles driven since the installation of a new Blueprint 350 cubic inch engine. This fresh engine setup includes a new intake manifold and carburetor, providing smooth throttle response and dependable power delivery. Paired with an automatic transmission, the drivetrain offers relaxed cruising and straightforward operation, making it ideal for both local drives and longer outings. Recent updates also include new front tires and a new battery, contributing to the car's overall road readiness. The car is described as looking and running great, reflecting consistent care and a focus on reliability rather than extreme modification. The lightweight T-bucket platform enhances the performance feel, even with a modest and street-friendly engine combination. Visually, the car retains its classic open bucket appearance, delivering the traditional hot rod look that enthusiasts expect from a Model T build. The overall presentation suggests a turnkey driver rather than a project, suitable for immediate enjoyment. Offered at a price of $18,000, this 1923 Model T bucket is located in Pennsylvania, United States. With low mileage, a fresh engine, and recent mechanical updates, it represents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a classic T-bucket hot rod that is ready to drive and enjoy. Number 14. This is a 1932 Ford Model B, a true show-quality build offered at $26,000. This car features an all-steel body and is properly registered as a 1932, making it a legitimate and well-documented classic. This Model B has been fully custom-built with reliability in mind, combining classic hot rod styling with carefully selected performance upgrades. The body is completely rust-free and finished in beautiful, high-quality paint, giving the car a clean and polished appearance that stands out at shows and cruises alike. Under the hood sits an aggressive forced induction setup featuring a V8 to 71 supercharger, topped with dual Holley double pumper carburetors. Power is delivered through a fully built automatic transmission, designed to handle the demands of the blower setup while maintaining dependable drivability. Out back, the car is equipped with an 8.8 rear end source from a 1973 Mustang, providing strength and durability for street or show use. Fuel is supplied by a 10-gallon fuel cell, supporting the car's performance-focused configuration. Inside, the cabin features a full leather interior, offering a premium look and feel while staying true to traditional hot rod character. Every detail reflects a thoughtful balance between performance, craftsmanship, and comfort. Located in Arizona, USA, this 1932 Ford Model B is a striking example of a professionally built hot rod that looks as good as it performs. A serious build at an accessible price point, ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 15. 1934 Plymouth Coupe Hot Rod Blown. Price, $32,500. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Marietta, Georgia. A serious 1934 Plymouth Coupe hot rod, built for performance and presence. Featuring a real steel body and a fresh 6 to 71 blown small block Chevrolet, the car delivers aggressive power and unmistakable blower whine. Finished in a deep green exterior with a clean black interior, it strikes a perfect balance between classic hot rod style and modern muscle attitude. Power is sent through a Saginaw 4-speed transmission with a hydraulic clutch, giving the driver a raw, hands-on driving experience that true hot rod enthusiasts appreciate. With just 12,345 miles, this coupe is well-sorted, strong, and ready to be driven or shown. Built to turn heads and backed by serious performance, this Plymouth stands out as an authentic street machine that offers steel construction, supercharged excitement, and timeless hot rod character.